Good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, welcome back. It's Cook and Inspire in the kitchen. Yeah man, with Chef Garnet. Yeah man, and the team. Yeah man, so we are looking for major cook up today. Not much, you know, so people, if you watch the video, please like the video, please. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Because I will I watch the video and I subscribe. You soon, you know, yeah man, subscribe to the video and like and share. Yeah? So we're gonna do a cook up today. Nothing major, so I'm gonna not do much talking. I'm just gonna show you guys. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, me beg you. Thank you. Eh? You know what if you say? Are you watching video? You must tell me. I go, Ben. I go, Andrea.
I don't know. I don't know, I can't remember.
Let me see how much video then.
Today we're in the kitchen.
What did it say, Debbie?
Or video, or the intro of it.
Cook and inspire in the kitchen today.
Say no.
Hello?
Huh?
I think it's today we're in the kitchen with Cook and Inspire. Cooking
No,
Inspire.
man, there's one thing I've been saying before. What have we said before?
Here we are again.
Yeah, yeah, again. What have we said before? Yeah, this is an anti-large video that I did.
I did watch the video.
Watch the video.
I did watch the video.
There's one thing we said before every video.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Yeah?
Alright.